Wow.
Ready?
Gross. I thought she was hotter than shit. I like that little thing. It's almost like she want to pull her little top out and play with them panties. Stop. Let me time. I'm gonna get it right here. Hang on.
We are going into a shop to cool down, so she can take a nap.
Where are you going?
What do you want to do? Go.
What are they gonna do?
They're going to go to a shop to cool down. You want to go with them or go somewhere else?
Well, if we go somewhere else, we'll be broke away for a while. But I don't care if that's what you want to do.
I don't know what we want to do. Let me have it.
Is Mexico that way? Let's go to Mexico. See, I like it out here when it's real noisy like this because you can fart, scratch your ass, do whatever, and people never know it. Really, they wouldn't.